Hello, sir. I had got the question number two. The question says to find growth until the year 5 only. So, based on that, we can solve it using two assumption. Therefore, I am demonstrating both the solution for you. So, we can solve this by the rate function and the goal seek function. Uh, in first case, here we assume that the growth rate is uniform over 10-year period. So, we will keep the growth rate uniform till the 10-year. The period is for the 10-year here as a data is given. PMT, it is the payment for each period, it's 100. Minus is taken as it is the outflow. FV future value, it's 1000. So the interest rate we can calculate using the rate function NPR. NPR, it is total number of period, it's 10. Second, it is PMT, payment for each period, it's $100. Here we don't know, so we just keep it. If the future value is 2000, type we have put 0 and guess as 0. If omit guess, the Excel consider it as a 10%. So we get interest rate as 15%. So the first year the dividend is given $100. Let's put $100. We can calculate the dividend for second year by using the formula dividend of the first year into interest rate. It's fix this function by using f function plus the dividend. Second dividend we got. So we will keep constant over the 10 years. The sum of all this dividend we can calculate by using function sum. By solving this function by case one by the rate function, we get the sum as 2000 and interest is at the 15%. Now let's solve by the second case by the goal seek function. In if we assume growth rate exists only till the fifth year and then constant, then we can solve this question using goal seek function. Let's consider 2 to 5 years growth rate increase and after 6 to 10 it remain constant. In the goal seek function, interest rate, let's assume it as a 10%. Question has given dividend for the first year is $100. The second year can be calculated by using the same formula equal to dividend of the first year into interest rate, fixing this value by using a F4 function F4 plus first year dividend. We get 110. Uh, let's consider from second year to the fifth year, growth rate increases, and from 6 to 10 it remain constant. Dividend remained constant. So equal to this dividend into 1. So the dividend remained constant till the 10th year. So the sum of this dividend, we calculate a sum function. Uh, this or we get 1342.56. The goal seek function can be used. It is in data. What if analysis? Goal seek. It asks set cell. So we have to set this cell to value 2000 by changing this. After analysis, it shows interest rate we got by the goal seek 24% and sum 2000. So this question can be solved by the two cases by the rate function and the goal seek function. Let's copy this all here. So the all formulas has been made visible. Thank you.